Hello guys, this is Zubair from ZubiTechWorld bringing you another video. I'm excited about Nokia One handset. Nokia is coming back to its core. They have launched this cell phone a few months earlier. Well, it was announced in February 2018 at MWC. So what Nokia One has to offer, we will check it out, and I will unbox first of all this handset for you. Let's see what's inside the box, what are its contents, and then in my next video I will review it in detail and tell you about the software, the operating systems, and the hardware. Everything else we will cover in my next video. Well, let's go. First of all, taking my knife, ordered it online from a trusted brand. They never ever disappoint me, always send me timely deliveries and the right product. Well, here it is, guys. The amount of packaging is quite amazing. So it was delivered by me within 2 to 3 days by a trusted courier brand and a trusted company, and I ordered it online with the warranty of a trusted company as well. Here it is, guys. Nokia One handset. It's in my warranty. It's a 1-year warranty for it, and I can easily claim if God forbid anything happens to my cell phone. Coming to the features of this cell phone, it's a dual SIM Nokia One, made in China. Color is blue. And what else we got over here? Well, if I remove this cover, I can see 4.5 inches of screen with 480 by 854 display, 1 gigahertz of RAM, 8 GB of internal storage, expandable to 128 gigabytes. The camera is mediocre, 5 megapixels with LED flash in front, 2 megapixels, exchangeable covers. The back cover is plastic, and you can exchange it with different colors depending upon your mood. Come on, let's unbox it. Let's see, with my regular knife. Got it. One part is tiered. Whoa. Where is my warranty card? Yeah, here it is. Warranty starts from June 2018 and expires in June 2019. That's very good. I just like the warranties, the cell phones with warranties. That is an easy claim, and you have the satisfaction that you are getting the right product, the genuine product, the right one. Well, guys, this is the blue version of my handset. I hope the battery is outside, not internally built in, because I can feel the handset is quite light. Yeah, the battery is here, guys. The battery is here. I will put the battery on. Yeah, I've opened it. Let's put the battery, what the battery says. Well, the battery says 2150 milliamp of battery, BV5V. Well, Nokia is coming back to its core. It's released Nokia One, and I was curious about this handset, wanted to review it and share it with you guys. Let's turn it on. Yeah, hearing the beep sound, vibration, little bit of vibration, powered by Android Go edition. Talking about the Go edition, it's a brand new operating system by Android, designed to run on entry-level smartphones, and is optimized on three areas: operating system, Google Play Store, and many of us are aware of the Android 8.1 Oreo, but the Android Oreo Go edition is something else, and I would like to explore it, share it with you guys. Well, let's put this aside and let's see what are the other contents of this cell phone. I have simple charger, I have earbuds, we have USB cable for charging the batteries already, we have the charger over here. It's not a Qualcomm quick charge, just a normal charge made in China. Mediocre headphones, not for your high quality use, just for your daily use, normal. And some paperwork, some back cover, how to remove them, how to put the battery, how to put the cable, SIM injection tool, SIM entry tool, stuff like that. Nobody reads it, neither do I. Pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in my next video where I'll review this cell phone in detail. The camera, the software, the hardware, and everything. What the cell phone has to offer, what is the competition, what are the drawbacks, what are the positive points. I'll see you in the next one, guys. See ya.